It's been a hot minute since the last time I filmed a video, but I'm slowly getting back on track. Kaya kapit lang kayo kasi ang dami nating isa-swatch for the next couple of weeks. But for today's video, unahin na natin to. This is the Bilena Pillow Pop Liquid Blush. Comes in 4 different shades. So itong Pillow Pop, meron siyang hyaluronic acid that makes the skin looking plump. And it reduces down the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And it has vitamin E that moisturizes the skin. So this is what the box looks like. So meron ka ng shade guide over here. Ano yung magiging itsura ng shade. And then, andito yung pangalan. And this is what the actual packaging looks like. It's pretty big if you ask me. I mean, for a liquid blush. And this is the doe foot applicator na equally big in my opinion. I mean like chubby or something. Like I said, we have 4 shades and if going to swatches, I don't have anything on my face. I only have like moisturizer. So I'm going to swatch it on my cheeks and on my lips. Kasi this is actually a multi-use product. Predominantly as a blush. As in yun talaga yung parang like main purpose niya as a blush. But you can use this as an eyeshadow or you can use it on your lips. Now, bago tayo mapunta sa swatch, I've already tried these blushes for the past couple of days. Let me give you an idea muna how it feels. I'm going to use Get Ready With Me Cosmetics Milk Tint as a point of comparison. Yung milk tints kasi, they are creamy. Like para siyang fake moisturizer. Pero etong Pillow Pop, it's more like a malabnaw na lotion. Ganon yung parang consistency niya, malabnaw na lotion. Parang liquidy jelly-ish. Masasabi ko na it's very easy to apply. It's very easy to blend. Hindi siya yung parang pag nilagay mo, magkakaroon ng stain and then ang hirap ng i-blend. No. It's very everyday friendly. But this kind of blush, yung medyo malabnaw, masarap siya gamitin. Lalo na ako like fresh face makeup ka lang. Like natural-ish. Walang masyadong, you know, foundation. Or if you're going to use foundation, bago ka mag-set ng powder, gamitin mo na to. Ilagay mo na to. It lasted for a good half a day. Pero definitely, by the end of the day, hindi na siya like kasing pigmented the first time you applied it in the morning or the first time you applied it whatever time na nag-get ready ka. This is college friendly and this is not so masyadong into makeup friendly. Pero you can also use this sa mga glam makeups. Pero honestly for me, parang pang everyday natural glam siya. By the way, this retails for $275 each. Ngayon, ang tanong, do you have to get all of the shades? Well, see for yourself. You decide for yourself habang pinapanood mo yung swatch na to. Kaya without further ado, let's start with the swatches. So nakikita ko para siyang 2-color family. We have the pinks and we have the red-ish or the orangey peach. Ayan. So for the pinks, unahin natin yung lightest one. And this is the shade Fresno. So this is Fresno arm swatched and this is Fresno on my face. And as you can see, napaka ano lang niya, fresh, light pink with a hint of parang siyang watermelon or like papaya pink. Parang ganun yung peg niya. But yeah, this is Fresno. By the way guys, pagdating pala sa lips, at first it's going to be para siyang liquid lipstick. Oo, pero habang tumatagal, it will turn into matte para siya lipstick. Hindi siya kiss-proof, pero long-lasting naman siya as long as wala kang gagawin sa lips mo. Next up, we have Rouge, which is like a deeper pink compared to Fresno. So this is the arm swatch, you guys. This is Fresno and this is Rouge. And si Rouge talaga yung pinaka-pink of the pink. This is Rouge on my face. As you can see, mas putok yung pagka-pink blush and Barbie pink din yung lips. By the way guys, may lasa siya. Manamis-namis. So yeah, this is Rouge. Next shade we have Raspberry. So this is raspberry swatch on my hand. At honestly, para siyang pinaghalong red, orange, and a little bit of pink. This is the blush na parang perfect for a like tomato girl makeup. So let's try raspberry on our cheeks. So again, raspberry arm swatch. And this is raspberry on my face and lips. Ito siya side by side with the first two shades. Yung blush nito, definitely mas putok kumpara dun sa first two shades. Or like, kapag binild up mo, talagang mas pigmented. Or like, parang sinampal sa mukha, if ever. So yeah, this is raspberry. Honestly, yung mga blush, kapag binlend out mo, parang kala mo magkakamukha lang sila, you know, parang, you know, ma-pinky or something like that. Pero there will always be, I swear to God, there will always be like a very, very slight difference. And that difference, hindi lang sa shades, hindi lang nakabase dun sa shade, kundi nakabase din sa skin tone mo. And last but definitely not the least, Toast of New York. And I feel like, guys, Toast of New York is like a trademark na ng every Bilena. Started from their lipsticks, then liquid lipsticks, and basta lahat dapat merong Toast of New York. Kasi this is a very iconic, I feel like this is a very iconic shade and shade name. When you say Toast of New York, every Bilena. So this is Toast of New York swatch at the back of my hand, and it is your staple peachy blush or peachy orangey blush. Ito sila side by side, you guys. Ito yung magandang parang sun-kissed na blush. So again, Toast of New York swatch in my hand, and Toast of New York on my face and lips. Ito kita ko yung difference. Yung pagiging like burnt orangey niya, and even on the lips, and yung lips is also, you know, peachy burnt orange entry. So again, you guys, side-by-side comparison. Before I give my final thoughts and recommendation, tapusin muna natin yung face natin. Ever Bilena Fearless Serum Foundation. Highly recommend this, you guys. Very nice for every day. Kanti lang naman lalagay ko para lang magpantay yung skin tone natin and, you know, brighten up a little bit. For the eyelids, I think I'm gonna go for Toast of New York. You can actually use your fingers. It's all about preference, or kung saan ka comfortable. For the blush, I'm gonna go for Rouge. I'm just going to use yung foundation brush na ginamit ko. Then for the lips, gamitin natin yung remaining two shades, yung Fresno and Raspberry. I'm going to use Fresno on the top lip and then Raspberry at the bottom lip for like, you know, an ombre effect. Very slight contour lang sa nose. So this is the finished product, and I tried to use all of the shades, all the 4 shades. I feel like Toast of New York is a really, really nice eyeshadow, diba? Like a universal eyeshadow. Anyway, so recommendations. Do you need to get all of the shades? Definitely not. Kailangan alam mo lang ano ba yung shade na talagang, you know, bagay dun sa skin tone mo, sa undertone mo, saan ka feeling really pretty and whatnot. Well, kung ako tatanungin mo personally, I feel like a solid pink blush and lip product is like a staple. Raspberry or Toast of New York. I think I would choose Toast of New York. I like it, babe. I like it as an eyeshadow, oh. Diba? Pero it's all about your preference. It's all about kung ano yung bagay sa'yo, saan ka parang nagagandahan sa sarili mo. Pero honestly guys, for the retail price of 275 pesos, very, very sulit na siya. Magagamit mo siya na matagal, multi-use. And you guys, ingat lang kayo sa pag-pull out nung nito. Dahil nga medyo malabnaw siya, may tendency siya na kapag medyo harsh yung pinull out, eh, magtatalsikan kung saan yung product. Dahil, ang dami kong talsik on my legs. So, I do recommend i-try nyo to. Very nice for every day. Anyway, so yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. And sana I was able to help you choose the shade na pwedeng bilhin. Comment down below ano yung shade na nabitan ninyo. Anyway, that's it for today's video, guys. Next video natin, umaati ko pong lip swatch tayo, kaya abangan nyo yan. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Subscribe, tapos yung bell button, i-click nyo para updated ka if I have a new video. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!